Today we are making a quick tomato egg noodle dish. Comforting, budget-friendly meal you'll probably want a second bowl of. Cut the tomatoes into chunks. Finely chop the green onions. Mince the garlic. Beat 2 eggs. Let's make a quick sauce. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, salt, and a bit of starch. Add some water and stir until smooth. Add your noodles to boiling water. I'm using Udon. Mine takes about 11 minutes to cook. Give it a stir occasionally to prevent sticking. While the noodles cook, let's make a topping. Add a bit more oil to the pan. This helps the eggs stay soft and fluffy. Throw in the eggs and cook until just set. Then take them out. In the same pan, sauté the garlic and the white parts of the scallions until fragrant. Add the tomatoes, cook until soft. Once the tomatoes release their juices, add the eggs back in. Pour in the sauce. If you want a richer flavor and deeper color, you can add a spoon of ketchup or tomato paste here. Give it a stir now and then so nothing sticks. Once the noodles are done, drain and rinse with cold water. This helps with texture and keeps them from sticking. They might cool down a bit, but they will warm right back up with the sauce. Let the sauce cook until slightly thickened. Then add the noodles and the scallion greens. Thanks for cooking with me. If you like quick meals under 30 minutes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.